We are here at Memorial Medical Plaza here in South Bend, Indiana. Before we ride these elevators, this is the original elevator, one of the last original elevators in this building. Sadly, it is broken. But over here, these actually used to be the hospital-sized elevators. Otis Lexans from the 70s, but they're not modern. Well, gently replaced. You didn't push the button hard enough.
I didn't push it hard enough?
Nope.
How hard you gotta push it? I pushed it. Oh,
Yeah.
I guess you do. Thank
Catch
you.
myself, you bet.
Thank you.
You gotta push it pretty hard.
Yeah, you gotta push them pretty hard. There we go. These used to be hospital-sized Otis Lexans from the 70s. But as you can see, they actually replaced these with new Schindler 3300s. It feels weird. 5. See, that one across the hall is broken. Let's come back down to 1. Let's go back up to 5. Even though we lost a pair of vintage Otises from the 70s, honestly, these needed a replacement. FIGS buttons. As you can see here, let's go up to the parking garage. And yes, these are MRL traction, true MRL.
Sorry. I'm gonna wait here.
Yeah. Go down to 1. This one has a really weird floor passing time. There were 1. Let's go up to 5. push the button out there. Whatever. Let's go back to the 1. Once again, these are pretty nice elevators. Go down.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Go ahead, go down.
Okay.
This one has the messed up shines for whatever reason. This thing is not even screwed on there. And there's the new elevators here in the Memorial Medical Plaza. RIP these vintage Otis elevators. Got replaced with Schindler 3300s. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.